Hi, welcome back. So let's continue unboxing. Before that, let me refresh your mind. So I've got this one. I already have this one. And now I've bought another one. So without further ado, let's open the box and let's see what we have in here. Wow. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, jom kita buka tengok which one that I've got. I'm going to close my eyes. Ready guys? 1, 2, 3. Oh, this side. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, I've got Hachi Pupu. I dapat Hachi Pupu yang zebra ni. Woo! Which is this one, and his name is Silver Miss Clown. So I dapat ini. Oh my god, surprisingly this one is so cute guys. Sangat-sangat cute. Okay, as usual lah, tangan dia ni I tak suka dia macam ni. I akan turunkan ke bawah sikit. Okay, that's more like it. So this is up close. His hair, his eyes with clown nose and the clown outfit, and he's wearing Joker hats, which is so cute. And this is the front, the side, the other side, and his back. Dia pakai macam ada pom-pom macam tu tau. So cute. So this one is one of my list. Jadi sekarang ni I dah ada 3 dah. And I've got one more on the way. Nanti stay tune lah in the next video. So this is my collection so far. Ta-da! My collection of Why So Serious series. Oh, I forgot to show the card. So this is a card. So cute. So this is him up close. So cute. I prefer this one other than another one. This one is really cute. I think that's it for today. Bye.